Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis. This episode number 16. Today, as always, we are going to take a look at the charts and see how close we are to our target. And that's actually all. I think it will be quite brief because everything is going according to plan. So there's not too much to say, but I'll tell you the 2 or 3 things that must be mentioned, which are new. So let's start with my webpage. So you can read the disclaimer and the risk warning so that you are aware that there are risks involved in trading. And if you need any help, I offer one-on-one coaching. And right now I have a 60% discount. So you can talk with a trader. We can talk about investing. We can talk about swing trading or day trading, whatever you like. And now let's look at the charts. We'll start with the 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour chart, we were close to our target, but we did not reach it. And I think we are still missing a little before we reach it. I would not be surprised if not just we reach it, but we overshoot it a little. So, but I'm expecting us to reach that target. There's not much more to say because I told you everything already. But just to be clear, we ended wave 2 here of the correction, and now we start in wave 3 up, an impulse wave 3 up. And the impulse wave 3 up is composed of 1 wave here, 2 wave, 3, the 3rd wave, and that's the one we are targeting right now, and then a 4th wave correction. So once the 3rd wave is over, we will see a 4th wave correction, and the 4th wave correction could be in the span of the last 4th wave. That means this year, between wave 4 and wave 3. And so we could retrace up to that level. But that's not, but for now it's a little premature. Now we are still targeting the 3rd wave of our bullish scenario. And I don't have a bearish scenario. Because we are fully bullish and I don't see an alternate count right now. So we'll stick with the bullish scenario. That's all I want to tell you about the 3-hour chart, because we talked a lot of times about it and not much has changed. So there's not much more to say about it. Once we are, yes, I told you yesterday already, but once we reach our target here, we could raise our stop level to this level. Right now, our stop level is still, it was 39,573. Then we could have raised it to 42,595. And once we reached wave 3, we can then reach it even higher. We can put our stop loss level higher, but for now it's also premature. So your stop loss right now should probably be at 42,595. And if we look at the 5-minute chart, so we are starting in the 3rd wave, the impulse wave that we looked at on the 3-hour chart, and we started here once the C correction was over. And then we get, then it's subdividing. So we get 1, 2, then I get 1, 2, and here again, and here again, 1, 2. And then we get 3 fourths, so 3 and 4. And we still are missing the last 3 fourths. I can show you all the stuff we are missing. That's all the stuff we are missing, and we still have to put it on the chart once price has risen. And now, after we reached wave 3 top, we finished wave 4 corrective wave, and then we had even the wave 5, and it ended here of 3. And now we had the wave 4 correction, and now we are starting a new impulse up. So I think we are starting a new impulse up, and the new impulse up should subdivide into 5 waves. And the first wave of the 5 waves is done from here to here, and it's subdivided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it could be that wave 2 is over already, and that now we are going for wave 3 of that impulse. If that's the case, that level should not be broken, 46,900, and the level above 48,577 should not be broken too. So I would not put my stop loss that close to the price, because maybe I've counted this wrong. So I would not put it that close to the price. But those levels normally should hold if we are doing the third wave up. Then that should hold. Okay, that's it. I've talked about everything I wanted. Yes, I did. So now as always, I can tell you to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. I always have people who are watching my intervention from a couple of days ago, and the most relevant intervention is always the last one. So you should be watching the last intervention in order to do that, and it's time-sensitive information. So it's important that you get aware of my new videos as soon as they come out, and that you watch them as soon as they are posted. My interventions are normally very short, and they give you a great update about the price. This is by far the best Elliott wave analysis you will find on the internet, and for now it's free. I remind you that for that kind of information, you normally pay $200 a month, everyone, okay? And I'm giving it for free to you. So enjoy it while it lasts. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for one more update. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.